is not a sponsored video from Film Vitality, and for today, we will be discussing how to sync points and claim rewards using the Film Vitality new app. So, just a reminder, you just have to uh, conduct the How Healthy Are You assessment again before claiming rewards. So, na-miss nyo ba to, guys? So that's how we used to claim rewards before. But now guys, eto nga, let's move forward. So upon seeing yung ating YouTube video before, ito yung mga questions na nag-pop out. So, ang daming question regarding rewards. Some of it, yan. Can you still redeem late rewards due to late syncing? Paano maka-receive ng voucher? And yun nga, same questions, how to redeem sa new app. So marami. So it's not easy like before. So paano ba mag-sync ng workout tracker? So yun yung mga questions na we will be answering on this video. So pasensya na guys, medyo natagalan. And yan nga, how to get the voucher after hitting weekly targets. So papaalala ko lang, you just have to um, just do the how healthy are you assessment before, no? So, how to sync points na tayo. So, to start, for Garmin users kasi I'm a Garmin user, no? So, this one, you just have to on the Bluetooth device and the location on your mobile device and open your Garmin Connect app. So, para sa mga gumagamit din ng Vivo Fit 4, long press mo lang yung switch niya and hold it. Tapos magkakaroon ng refresh icon and then you just have to wait. So, yun lang yung 4 easy steps. Okay? So, patience is a virtue, guys. So, tayo ay nagsisync na ng ating points. And yan nga, successful na siya. If you go to the calendar, meron tayong blue. Yung mga blue na yan, ibig sabihin, nakapag-hit ako nung aking points dito, goal. And, yun nga, sinet ko to ng 7.5 mostly. Kasi, we have 7.5 nga. So, first attempt natin after we sync points, check natin sa Vitality new app. Update guys, this is 9:39 ng Sunday. So, sisync ako ng 9:39. So, yan, makikita mo sa weekly exercise challenge ko. For the week, we have 150 points. Ang details niyan is so far hindi na sync lahat as it's from March 29 up to April 4. So, April 4 ngayon, 29, 30, and 31 pa lang ang na-sync. So, I have 150 points, guys. So, this is my first attempt, to see it on the Film Vitality new app after I sync. So, nag-log out lang din ako. Kasi medyo makulit tayo, guys. Before kasi sa old app yan, sync tayo ulit. I mean, logged in tayo ulit just to see it now. So, after ilang minute lang yun, 1 minute lang actually. So, sobrang kulit natin. Check mo lang din. Yeah, nag-update na siya. But still, it's not enough. So, 250 points. May nadagdag lang tayong April 2 for this checking, no? So, yan. So far, it's still not enough for us to redeem the rewards or to get voucher for this one. So, update 9:41. So, medyo makulit tayo. So, yan yung weekly progress natin. And also, drop ka lang ng drop para magkaroon siya para ma-refresh siya. Yan lagi kang ginagawa so far. So, third attempt. So, guys, third attempt. So, check muna natin yung connect. Kasi, guys, ito yan. You just need to verify naman if na-hit mo nga yung target. So, with me, as you can see, 7.5, 12.5 yung 2 ko. And then, 13,000 ako ng April 3, which is Saturday. 13,000 for today. So, I don't see anything wrong with that. So, third attempt natin, log in tayo guys. So, ako confident ako na hit ko yung target eh. So, yan. Update lang ako ng update but still it's 250 pa din. So, it's 942. So, medyo ata makulit tayo. Wala pa ring nag-a-add na points. So for other users out there, 'di ba nagno-notify naman minsan. So for this one hindi pa siya talaga updated and 'yun. So challenges din, in progress pa rin siya, hindi pa rin siya natatag as completed and hindi rin naman nagno-notify na target not met so far. So may pag-asa pa. So after 10 years, check tayo ulit. 10 o'clock na after 10 years na yon. Sorry, sa logged in lang din tayo guys with the app. So upon logging in, kasi sobrang kulit natin. For the viewers na kasing kulit ko, siguro ganito kayo every time mag-check. So, I don't know, hindi ko nilalahat. But for me, 250 points pa din siya. 'Di ba nakakanginig kasi Sunday na. Tapos medyo late na din ako nag-sync. Kasi, yan. So, after 48 years, sana. To inabot na ako ng umaga. As you can see, April 5 na to, Monday na. So, 12:29 na to. Hindi ko na to tinulugan. Just to have it check if yung ating rewards for last week is mapupunta naman sa 200. So as you can see, nag-update na tayo. We have another week for this one. So far guys, nawala na yung figure ko nung last week. So nakakalungkot siya kasi hindi ko na siya makita. But so far, malaki ang tsansa natin. So, sa notification kasi wala pa rin siya, so hindi din siya nag-notify. So, check lang natin sa rewards. Baka naman. So sa challenges din, check mo. In progress, wala. So, yun pa rin yung latest. Pero wala rin siyang update for completed and target not met. So, para sa ating mga kasama dyan, for Vitality Community, ganyan siya. But when you see the rewards, yan na, meron na tayong voucher. April 18, so we have the option na. So yun nga guys, hindi lang siya nag-update ulit, hindi din siya nag-notify sa akin, but still, na-award pa din yung reward ko from last week, weekly challenge. So, to answer the question kung ma-award pa, yes, of course. Pero yun nga, may delay lang. So, yan, may ano na tayo. So, how to claim the rewards na yung susunod nating step. So, to claim the rewards, you just have to log in again with the Philam Vitality new app. And then, so far, dahil may voucher na tayo for that one, you just have to go to the reward section. So, on the reward section, makikita mo yung voucher na yan, no? Used by April 18. So, just click that vouchers. So, upon clicking the vouchers, nandiyan na yung mga choices natin for weekly. So, just select weekly reward for this one. So, pinaka-paborito ko, alam niyo na, GCash. So, just click on redeem now for the voucher na napili mo. So, ako GCash talaga ang paborito ko, no? So, pagka-redeem mo ng voucher, ma-redirect ka din dun sa portion ng vouchering, no? So, yan, makikita mo dito. So, pagka-redeem ng voucher, makikita mo may times 1 yung GCash because certainly yun yung napili mo. So, yung iba, wala siya. So, pero may indicator pa rin dun kung kailan mo siya gagamitin. So, pwede nating ilapse yan, guys. Pero ayoko mangyari yun. Kaya, ikiklik ko yan. Yang may times 1 na, ano yan. Pwede mong padamihin yan. Pero just click on the reward with X1, times 1. And then, you just have to click use now para magamit mo siya. So, once you click the use now icon, so click to copy code and save for later. So, yan. Papakita yung code and save for later, guys. Huwag nyo munang i-click yung use. Sasabihin ko mamaya kung para saan yung use. Pero, kapag na-click nyo yung use, just undo it. Kasi may implication yan on getting the reward. And then, you just have to click on open redemption form. And you just have to paste the code and then proceed. So, same as true with the old app. Lalagay mo lang, fill out mo lang yung redemption form ng yung credentials. So, I'm now filling out the form with my credentials. So, may email ko muna and then confirm my email. And then later on, ilalagay ko na yung aking mobile number for GCash. So, para sa mga gustong magpadala sa akin ng GCash, ito yung mobile number. Joke lang. Pero if ever gusto nyo, here it is. So, yan lang. I-retype mo lang din yung mobile number mo. Same as is with the old app. And then, may added security lang siya. Upon clicking the ano yun, select mo na image, click verify mo lang. Medyo mahina tayo dito. And then click proceed. Yan. So after you click proceed, yun na magkakaroon ka na ng 200 na reward for this week, guys. So that's easy as that. Same lang as true with the old app. So pagbalik mo dun, guys, nandun pa rin yung voucher, ah. Nakikita mo may time zone pa rin dyan. And pag nakalimot ka, no, try natin i-click ulit yung use now. Yan pa rin yung code. You click on the code, try nga natin ulit. So, save for later. And then, yan. Try lang natin i-redeem. So, you just paste the code there. And then, click on proceed. So, yan guys, may magpapakita. Sorry, the e-gift has been already redeemed. So, para maiwasan nating paulit-ulit yan and para ma-remove yan sa ating rewards portion, i-click mo lang siya ulit. Yan. And then, you have to click on the use now. And that's the time that you should click on use para matatag siya na nagamit mo na yung code. And mawawala na siya doon sa GCash mismo yung napili mong code. So that's it. Mapupunta na siya sa reward history, guys. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it, no? And I hope nasagot din yung mga tanong ng ating mga subscribers. And thank you for watching. And let's talk again on how to be vitalified with Jack at your service. Bye!